In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use auto layout in Figma. This quick 5-minute guide will walk you through setting up and mastering auto layout, a powerful feature that can significantly streamline the design process by allowing elements to automatically organize and resize themselves. Let's dive right in. First off, let's get ourselves logged into Figma. Head over to figma.com, log in. Once there, use your Gmail account or your chosen email and password to access your Figma workspace. If you haven't already, make sure you've signed up. Otherwise, a seamless login will get you ready to start designing in no time. Once you're logged in, locate and open the Figma file that you want to work with. Maybe it's a new design you're embarking on, or perhaps you're looking to enhance existing layouts. Opening your file is as simple as clicking on it from your dashboard. It should load right up for you. With your file open, the next step is to choose the objects that you want to group and organize using auto layout. Whether it's text blocks, shapes, or any other elements that need structured arrangement, simply click and drag to highlight and select these items. Grouping them ahead of time helps auto layout do its magic more effectively. Here's a handy shortcut for you. To quickly apply auto layout, just press Shift+A on your keyboard. This shortcut is a real time saver and instantly lets you organize your elements without fussing through multiple menus. If shortcuts aren't your thing, don't worry. You can achieve the same result by right clicking on your selected elements. A menu will appear where you can choose Add Auto Layout. This serves the exact same purpose as our previous shortcut, giving you flexibility depending on your workflow preference. Now let's delve into the right sidebar where the magic of auto layout happens. Over there, make sure you're under the Design tab. You'll find a little plus button next to Auto Layout. Clicking it will open up a new section dedicated to auto layout settings. In this right sidebar, under the auto layout section, you have the ability to adjust a variety of properties to fine-tune the behavior of your layout. Here you can control spacing between elements, padding around your group, and alignment options. Each adjustment helps to enforce consistency and aesthetics in your designs, ensuring that everything lines up and scales perfectly as you make changes. There you have it. A brief guide on getting started with auto layout in Figma, all wrapped up in just 5 minutes. Use these steps to maintain your design's flexibility and responsiveness as you build or tweak your interfaces. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice using auto layout in your upcoming projects for a more streamlined design experience.